In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Valorant on your PC and laptop. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And make sure to just go right until the end and let's get right into it. Here we are on my desktop and I want to quickly clear up. You can't actually go and get Valorant on Steam. I know a lot of people think you can, but as you can see, there are no results. So what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. So personally, I'm using Google Chrome. But you can use any browser you would like and then come to a search engine. And then all you need to do is go and search for Valorant, just like so, and go and search for it. And then you need to go to playvalorant.com. I'm going to link the official website in the comments and the description just so you get there, as I know there may be some fakes out there. And now here we are. So now all you need to do is go and click on play free or play now in the top right, just like so. And as you can see, before you can go and download Valorant, you need to go and make an account. So you need something called a Riot account. So I've already got one, so I'm going to click sign in. If you don't, go and click make one. And then once you've signed in, it's going to go and say my account in the top right, which means you're signed in. And then I'll click play free again. And here we are. So as you can see, we now get this big download button. So I'm going to press download just like so. And then the download will begin. And because I'm using Google Chrome, it is in the bottom left. But usually your downloads are always going to be in your downloads folder in your file explorer. As I know, not everyone will use Google Chrome. Now you're probably thinking this is quite a small download file. This is because it's just the installer. So all I'm going to do is go and drag it onto my desktop just like so. And then you can come and close off Google Chrome and then you want to go and run the installer. So go and double click on it just like so. And you may go and get a Windows security pop-up. Unfortunately, I can't go and record that. And then as you can see, we've got this big screen here saying Riot Games and we've got Valorant. So all you need to do is go and click on advanced options and here you can go and change where it's installed to. So because this is on my SSD, I want to change it to my hard drive. So I'm going to click here and my file explorer will open. And I've now selected the location and I'm going to go and hit the install button just like so, and it's now installing. So this first download here is essentially the Riot Games launcher, and this is how you're going to go and launch Valorant, which is why it's only around 200 megabytes. So sit back and wait for it to finish and then a launcher is going to open. And here we are, the Riot Games launcher is now opened and we need to go and sign in with the account you just created. So I'm going to go and sign in now. So here we are on the launcher, and as soon as you open Riot Games, it's actually going to start the download for Valorant. And in the bottom left, you can go and see the current status. I just paused it there, but you can see your current download speed and the progress it's made. So all you need to do is wait for this to go and do the full download. It may take some time depending on your internet speed, so make sure you're connected using an Ethernet wire. It should hopefully go and speed that up. And then once it's finished, there's going to be a big play button. You can just go and tap play, and then Valorant's going to go and launch, and you can go and get playing. It's that easy. And then every time you want to go and play Valorant, all you need to do is go and open this up here. As you can see, there's a button on my desktop, or you can go and search for it as well. And then you can go and play. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.